Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the devices speak the same language. Connect both the TV and your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, make sure your Hisense has the latest firmware and that screen mirroring or cast is enabled in settings. This lets the TV accept incoming streams. Now, open the TV's inputs or network menu and select Screen Share so the TV is actively waiting for connection. This is your essential first step. Next, from your source device, you pick the right casting method and connect. On Android, use Cast or Smart View. On Windows, open Action Center and Project, then choose Connect to a wireless display. On iPhone or iPad, use AirPlay and tap the Hisense model that appears. When the TV shows an accept prompt, you accept it. If offered, set a matching resolution for best quality. Also, make sure power saving is off so the stream stays stable and uninterrupted. To finish, stop casting from your device or switch the TV input back to normal. This ends the session cleanly. If you see lag or choppy video, reduce the mirrored resolution or move both devices closer to the router for stronger signal. If the connection never establishes, one key troubleshooting move is to toggle the TV's Wi-Fi off and on, and then reboot your phone or laptop before retrying the pairing. This often clears hidden network issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.